munchies, welcome if you're new. I'm Alyssia. In January, I know so many of you want smoothie recipes, so I've got a fun one for you today. And for anyone who is on the hunt for smoothie recipes without bananas, you've come to the right place. This video is for you. I personally like bananas in smoothies, but apparently a lot of people don't, and I thought it was time to dedicate an entire video to them and share some options without. The thing about bananas is that they not only add creaminess, but also a natural sweetness. Without the bananas, you need to add both of those things on your own. I'll be showing you how to thicken some smoothies without bananas, and for natural sweetness without using any added sugar, I'll be using Sunsweet Prune Juice, which is also going to give you a nutritious boost that will help with digestion and energy. Thank you to Sunsweet for partnering with me on this video. I've worked with Sunsweet for many years, and they really do put out the best quality dried fruit. I got a chance to visit the orchard last year, both during the bloom and the harvest. I got to eat the fresh plums off the trees, so I was able to witness the entire process from bloom to plum to prune, and it is crazy that that is how we get this amazing and nutritious prune juice. This is the time of year that we're all thinking about rebooting to feel good, and these smoothies are a great place to start. Check out the Sunsweet Facebook page to learn more about what you can do this year to feel good. Today, I have got 5 smoothies for you. All are super easy and can be vegan, no problem. Let's get started with our peaches and cream oatmeal smoothie. To a blender, I add frozen peaches, yogurt of choice, this can totally be dairy or non-dairy, Sunsweet Prune Juice, cinnamon, and our thickener, rolled oats. It is going to give our smoothie substance and make it so much more satisfying, but no banana is required. That yogurt is also going to help thicken it up. The prune juice adds a natural sweetness. It is tangy and sweet and pairs perfectly with the delicious peaches and tart yogurt. The cinnamon adds a sweet flavor without adding any sugar. We don't need extra sugar for any of these smoothies, but you can of course add it if you prefer. Sunsweet Prune Juice is a great part of your daily health routine for a lot of reasons, but the fact that it contains 3 grams of fiber per serving makes it a great option for gut and microbiome health. It also provides 5 essential vitamins and minerals: potassium, riboflavin, vitamin B6, copper, and niacin to help balance and maintain digestive health without any preservatives or added sugar. Okay, next up is a cinnamon plumberry smoothie. This starts with 1 fresh plum pitted and chopped. Unfortunately, it is not the type of plum I was able to pick off the tree at the orchard because you can't get those in stores, but it is nuts to me that those orchard plums eventually become prunes and those prunes get turned into this juice. I also add some Sunsweet prunes to this one, which are going to add sweetness and help to thicken, prune juice, frozen blueberries for texture and color, and cinnamon. I love the rich color of this smoothie, but the cinnamon and plum flavor is what makes it so amazing, of course. Sweetened naturally with just a few Sunsweet prunes, we're getting extra digestive and bone health benefits in too. I am getting a little too excited about this next one, a coconut chai smoothie. It's coconut cream, Sunsweet prune juice, almond milk or milk of choice, almond butter, a few Sunsweet dates for sweetness, and a mix of cinnamon, cardamom, ginger, cloves, and nutmeg as my chai spice flavoring. The coconut cream and almond butter both help to thicken this without any bananas at all. It's sweet and satisfying and really tastes like an indulgence, but it's from the natural sweetness of the prune juice, the dates, and the chai spice flavoring. This is great in the morning for breakfast, afternoon as a snack, or evening as a sweet treat. The next one is a clean, lean, and green smoothie. It of course uses clean ingredients, but it is also lean with ingredients because there are only 4. It is simply frozen kale, frozen pineapple, yogurt of choice, and Sunsweet prune juice. If you have leftover greens that are going bad, freeze them. They are great in smoothies and you won't taste them at all. Greens with pineapple are a perfect combination because pineapple is so strong and sweet and tart, and it is really enhanced by those characteristics in the prune juice. You can really tell that Sunsweet's dried fruit and prune juice are made from the highest quality fruit, and I know from both taste and experience that they put so much love and care into every piece of fruit. Last but definitely not least, a sneaky sunrise smoothie. If you want more veggies in your smoothie but aren't exactly a fan of green smoothies, this one is for you. It is red bell pepper, orange, some ice cubes, our thickener, along with coconut butter, and of course, Sunsweet Prune Juice. You need less liquid in this one because there's no frozen fruit, and the bell pepper and orange naturally have more water as ripe produce. Red bell peppers are the most mature of the bell peppers, and so they are not only the sweetest, but also contain more nutrients than other bell peppers. The red bell pepper has an almost fruity flavor that is enhanced by the citrus and the prune juice. The coconut butter helps thicken, but also gives us some natural sweetness and richness to balance out the light smoothie. It is a great way to start the day. And those are your healthy smoothies without bananas. I hope you enjoyed and found some inspiration. Remember, Sunsweet Prune Juice is a great addition to your daily diet for digestive support, and smoothies can be a great way to integrate it, but they aren't the only way. You can totally add a bit of juice into your oatmeal or overnight oats. It's great in marinades, cider, baked goods, or even just on its own. I think a lot of people can be misguided thinking that prune juice is only for digestion or constipation, but it really does so much more than that, and it is as sweet and delicious as the fresh plums when they come off the tree. Give it a try. Sunsweet also carries a prune light juice cocktail and a plum smart light that are totally worth checking out as juice options for drinking, smoothie making, or other recipes. Thanks again to Sunsweet for partnering with me on this video, and thanks to all of you for your amazing support of me and my Sunsweet partnership over the years. I am so grateful to all of you. I'll be back all month long with more videos to inspire your healthy new year, so be sure to subscribe. And remember, it's all a matter of mind over munch.